Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make math easy and fun. As discussed in my previous two videos, we discussed few sums on probability. This would be my last video on challenging sums of probability. And then we will take up a topic and we will start from the scratch and we'll take it to the end. That is, I'm going to start with quadratic right from the beginning to the end. We'll deal with all type of easy and complicated sums, all methods of quadratic equation based on popular demands on the messages that I've been getting. Now, students, in this chapter, in this video rather, we are going to discuss a very interesting sum. And before that, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the videos, all the updates. Now, without wasting any time, let us quickly move on to the sum. The sum says a missing helicopter is reported to be crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. We have a rectangular region. There is an helicopter which crashed somewhere. We are supposed to find out that it is crashed in the lake. Now, this is an interesting sum. We will not use set notation to solve this sum. Now, try to understand this is a rectangular region. Now, within the rectangular region, there is a rectangular lake. Now, try to understand that lake is a part of the rectangular region. That is, if rectangular region is my sample space, this lake is my event. That is event A. What is favorable to me? Now, when the helicopter was flying over the rectangular region, it could have crashed anywhere in the rectangular region. Try to understand. It could have crashed here. It was flying. Maybe it crashed here. Maybe it crashed in the lake. See, even the water is burning. Now, students, what is the sample space? What is favorable for me? That is what we have to define. Now, the rectangular region is the all possibility in this sum. That means it is very sure that the helicopter crashed in the rectangular region. So the all possibilities is the entire rectangular region, and what is favorable to me is the lake. So when I have to find out the probability, I have to divide, it is the ratio of what is favorable to us upon all possibilities. So when I say favorable to us is lake, all possibilities is rectangular region. So we have to find the probability by finding out the area of rectangular lake upon the area of the rectangular region and then dividing them. Now, definitely some dimensions are given to us in the sum. We are going to use this to solve the sum. Now, students, as discussed in the previous slide, first we will find out the area of the rectangular region. So let us focus on the rectangular region. Now, if you see, to find the area of the rectangular region, we need the dimensions. When I say dimensions, we need the length and breadth. So the length is given as 9. It is completely given. This entire thing is line, understand? And this entire breadth is 4.5. So length of the rectangular region is given 9 kilometer. Breadth of the rectangular region is given, that is 4.5 kilometer. We are supposed to find the area. The area of a rectangle is always the product of its dimensions, that is length into breadth. That is 9 into 4.5 kilometer square. Let us not simplify it because this is not my final answer. We will be smart. We are also going to make it easy. Remember my tagline. Now let us go to area of the lake. Now students, be very careful because the dimensions are not clearly specified here. Not clearly specified. Now if you see in this diagram, this entire thing is 9. Now if you see, this entire area is 9. The entire thing. This entire thing is 9. And this is 6. So I can say this should be 3. So that 6 plus 3 becomes 9. Use the same logic. If this entire thing is 4.5 and this is 2 kilometers, this has to be 2.5 kilometers. Now we will mention and understand how did we get this. Now if this is entire thing is 4.5 and this is 2, this would be 4.5 minus 2.5. Understand that. So let us make it in the sum, write it in the sum, students. So the length of the rectangular lake would be this 9. Look at the screen, follow the arrow. 9 minus the 6. That is 3 kilometers. If I have to find out the breadth, this is 4.5 and this is 2. So there has to be 4.5, follow the arrow, 4.5 minus 2, that is 2.5. 4.5 minus 2, that is 2.5 kilometers. Now students, area, the formula remains the same, product of the dimensions, that is length into breadth, that is 3 into 2.5 kilometers square. Once again, we will be smart. We will not multiply. Now students, let the diagram go. We will find out the probability by taking, let A be the event that the helicopter would have crashed in the lake. So P of A, probability of A, would be area of the rectangular lake upon area of the rectangular region. So P of A, area of the rectangular lake is 3 into 2.5 upon area of the rectangular region, which is 9 into 4.5. Now students, let us try to simplify to get the answer. Now let us try to reduce it. We'll be very smartly, we'll solve it. I can say 3 ones are, and this is 3 threes are. Now instead of solving it ahead, what I will do is first I will take out the decimal. I'll multiply into 10 and I'll also multiply into 10. Now let us see what happens in the next step. What is remaining in the next step? So students, if I try to solve 2.5 into 10 is 25 into 1 will be 25. 1 into 25, which I can just say 25 upon 4.5 into 10 will be 45 and 3 is remaining. So I'll say 3 into 45. Now students, we will try to reduce it further. We'll try to reduce it further. Now 25 and 45, obviously both are divisible by 5. So 5 5s are, 5 9s are 45. It cannot be reduced further. So we can say probability of A should be, in the numerator what is remaining is 5 and denominator it is 9 into 3, that is 27. So probability of A would be 5 upon 27. I hope students you loved the sum. It's a very easy sum. Maybe this is how we can smartly present the sum. I wish you all the best. Do not forget to subscribe the video. And my next topics would be quadratic. And if you follow it, you will understand quadratic right from scratch. Till the end, may you would be attending any board. Thank you so much, everybody. This is Shashikant Shetty signing off. Thank you so much.